Hi, my name is Rachael Schwabe and I'm a second-year master's student at the Bard Graduate Center. The object in my hands is a shadow box containing a 19th century hair wreath. The maker of my hair wreath and the date of its creation are unknown, but we can detect at least 3 different hair colors in this wreath and thus 3 potential hair donors. We can see a large honey-colored flower at the bottom down here, as well as a dark brown bulb over on this side, and finally a chestnut rosette and leaves. The technique used to create this wreath's flowers is called gimp work. This means that the hair artisan wrapped hair and wire in figure-8 motions around variously sized mandrels. These looping structures could then be shaped into flowers. Though public monuments were becoming increasingly prevalent in the 19th century, hairworks and hair jewelry remained intimate personal monuments to adorn the body or display in a domestic space.